we are at the Rani Duduma Waterfall, and it was raining a bit and the place looked really gorgeous. The rain added to the delight. The place is filled with lush green mountains. It's just so green. I feel like sitting here and admiring the mountains all day.
But this place has something unique. The view of the waterfall, especially when you are coming in monsoon, the view is at its best. But the place itself, you can see, is absolutely stunning. Now we are heading to Duduma Waterfalls. This place was Rani Duduma, much closer to Similiguda if you are starting from Similiguda. Duduma is a bit far, it's almost like 80 odd or 100 odd kilometers from Koraput town or Jaipur if you are starting from there. So now we are heading to Duduma to experience the vast view of Duduma.
Waterfall, and it is surreal. Just so green behind us. There's this waterfall, if you can spot it, there's the waterfall right there, and it's flowing in full force. Plus the view that we are getting from here is mesmerizing. Haven't seen any other beautiful view than this, and it's a must visit for people who are living in Odisha. You have to come here and enjoy this enchanting beauty because there's no place like this. It's heaven.
Yes, this is absolutely stunning. We didn't thought the view would be literally this. If you can see, there are trees, there are green lush mountains, moving clouds, there's a waterfall. I mean, you can't get anything perfect than this. This is absolutely majestic.